Welcome back to the POW-Mister channel. In this video, we will introduce our new rack-mounted stackable lithium iron phosphate battery, POW-LIO48100-3.5U, and demonstrate the complete process of installation, wiring, and communication with the inverter. First, let's take a look at what's included in the package. For each battery unit, you will receive one battery, 4 mounting brackets, one set of bracket mounting screws, one positive power cable, one negative power cable, one communication cable, and one user manual. If you purchase a complete set, for example, a minimum of 4 batteries as one system, the package will also include an additional pair of main positive and negative power cables, as well as an extra communication cable for BMS communication. In this demonstration, we will use the 4 battery system as an example to show the full installation and parallel wiring process. Let's start with assembling the batteries. First, attach the mounting brackets to the battery. As shown in the video, slightly lift one side of the battery, clip the brackets onto both sides, and align the mounting holes on the brackets with the screw holes on the battery housing. After all 4 brackets are positioned correctly, secure them firmly using the screws. Repeat the same steps for the remaining 3 batteries. Once installed, the special bracket structure follows the batteries to lock together when stacked, ensuring they cannot move horizontally and providing stable installation. Next, choose a suitable location to place the batteries and stack them one by one. Considering the inverter installation position, we place the batteries on the floor directly follow the inverter. After positioning the batteries, remove the insulating terminal covers one by one to prepare for wiring. Now let's connect the communication cables between the batteries. Connect the 45B output port of the top battery to the 45B input port of the second battery. Then connect the output of the second battery to the input of the third, and the output of the third to the input of the fourth battery. Next, loosen the terminal screws to prepare for power cable connections. Now we connect the power cables between the batteries. Using the supply the positive and negative power cables, first connect the negative terminals between the adjacent batteries, and then connect the positive terminals. You may first secure the ring terminals by hand, and then use a screwdriver or a power tool to tighten the screws to ensure firm and reliable connection. After completing the connections, reinstall the terminal covers to ensure safe and stable operation. Next, set the dip switches. Set the dip switch of the first battery to 1, the second battery to 2, and so on in sequence. Once the dip switch settings are complete, connect the main positive and negative battery cables to the inverter's battery terminals. Then connect the RS45A port of the first battery, the one with the dip switch set to 1, to the inverter's BMS port using a standard Ethernet cable. At this point, all battery wiring is complete. Close the circuit breakers one by one, then turn on the power switches in sequence to successfully start up the batteries. Next, we will configure the inverter to communicate with the batteries. Here we use the POW-Sunsmart 10kp as an example. If you are using a different inverter model, please contact us via email for specific communication details. Power on the inverter and enter the settings menu. Set program A to L16, set program 32 to 485, and set program 33 to PYL. Once the settings are complete successfully, the inverter's main screen will display an LFP icon next to the battery symbol, and no communication error will appear. This completes the entire process of installation, wiring, and inverter configuration for the POW-LIO48100-3.5U rack-mounted stackable lithium iron phosphate battery system. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.